Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today I am making a soft and delicious marble cake. For that here I am taking 330 grams of unsalted butter, and 6 eggs, (525 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. I have already posted a marble cake using whole wheat flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and we'll sift the flour 2 times, or else you can take the flour in a bigger bowl and use a wire whisk to fluff it up. Sifting will aerate the flour and allow the baking powder to spread thoroughly. This cake will weigh about a 1.8 kg, and we can get about 55 pieces. Now let us take 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, use 6 tablespoons of hot water to mix the to make the cocoa mix. Mix it thoroughly without lumps and keep it aside. Now we'll beat the butter, and into this we'll add 525 grams of powdered sugar, cream the butter and sugar in between, scraping the sides. Cream the butter and sugar till it is nice and fluffy. This will ensure a soft cake. Now into the eggs we'll add 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence and half a teaspoon of salt. Beat it. Now we'll add this into the creamed butter and sugar in 3 portions, beating at high speed. Beating at high speed will prevent curdling of the batter. But even if it curdles, it's okay. You can add a teaspoon of flour and mix it in. Now the eggs are added. Now we'll fold in the flour. This also we'll do it in 3 portions. First we'll start with the flour. Fold in 1 portion of the flour, and then into this we'll add 225 milliliter of milk. Milk should be added in 2 portions. So first flour, fold in the flour, add the milk, half of the milk, mix it in, then again add flour and fold it in. Then add the remaining milk and end it with flour. Now we'll add the remaining flour and fold it in. Now our batter is ready. Now we'll take 1/3 of the batter and mix in the make the chocolate batter. Depending on how much chocolate batter you want, you can increase or decrease the amount of batter taken. Into this we'll add the cocoa mix. And make the chocolate batter. Now here I have lined a 11-inch square tin, and into this we'll add the vanilla batter. Spread it. Now we'll add the chocolate batter. Now I am just adding the chocolate and making it like a layer. You can do like this, or you can even alternately add 1 spoon of chocolate batter, 1 spoon of vanilla batter, like that, and then give it a swirl. However you want, you can do it. Now I am making it as a vanilla layer, chocolate layer, and again vanilla layer. Now using a chopstick, we'll just draw like this inside the batter, so that our chocolate layer will spread into the vanilla layer a little. And from the center you can take the batter to the sides also, so that it when it bakes, it doesn't make a dome. So now here I have kept it for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, but it took a little longer for the cake to bake. The yummy marble cake is ready. It's beautifully baked. Do try the recipe, and I'm sure you will love it. Thank you for watching.